In this video, I will show how to write this omega symbol in Microsoft Excel. So there is very simple and quick way to write this symbol or any symbol. Just insert equation and slash and type omega and press spacebar one time. Omega, and this way you can type any symbol or any sign like slash and alpha, beta, sigma or gamma, mu or phi, and once you click on insert, so you can select manually from here, but make sure you select here basic math. And there are some more symbols in this equation like this Greek letters, the lowercase and this uppercase. Letter like symbols, operators, and here scripts. So thanks for watching.